Today on Magic's Global Guide 10 class crash course for Maharashtra State Board Algebra first video. If you have studied or not, this course is useful for both cases. If you have not studied and if you are not able to understand the solution in one time, then you can repeat once, twice or thrice and pause it and then try to practice it at least once and practice until you are able to solve yourself without any help. Then this is going to get you the best study and the most successful crash course since 10 years now on YouTube. Maharashtra State Board SSC Algebra Linear Equation in Two Variables. 1.1 or 1 marks questions. The first question is, the question may be given to right answer or it may be given with option or without option. Here the first question is y is equal to, you have to find y for x is equal to 1 in the equation 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Solution is that put x is equal to 1 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 19. Therefore x is equal to 1, that's why it is 4 into 1 plus 5y is equal to 19, that is 4 plus 5y is equal to 19, that is 5 is equal to 19 minus 4, that is 5y is equal to 15, therefore y is equal to 3. The next question, if dx is equal to 49 and dy is equal to 63 and d is equal to 7, then what is the value of x? Since we have x is equal to dx upon d, that is 49 upon 7 is equal to 7. Now the next question we have, for x plus y is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0, what is the value of d? So the first equation is plus y is equal to 3 and next will become 3x minus 2y is equal to 4. Comparing with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, we have a1, b1, c1 given here. And for the determinant to find the value of d, that is first row a1, b1, second row a2, b2, and putting the values here we will get 1, 1 and a2, b2 will be 3 minus 2. So 1 into minus 2, that will be minus 2, then 1 into minus 3, so the answer will be minus 5. Now the next question is, we have to find the degree of the determinant, first row mn and the second is pq. So since it is 2 by 2 matrix, that's why the degree is 2. And the next question we have, alright, the next question, how many solutions do mx plus ny is equal to d and ax plus by is equal to c have when an is not equal to bm? So since an is not equal to bm, therefore bringing b on the left side, that will become a upon b is not equal to n upon m. So in this condition the two lines have unique solution. The next question we have, what is the value of the determinant 5, 3 minus a minus 5? So it is going to be 5 into minus 5 minus 3 into minus 3, so this will become minus 25 and plus 9, that will become minus 16. So the answer for this is minus 16. And the next we have, if k comma 5 is the solution of the equation 4x plus 3y is equal to 19 and 4x minus 3y is equal to minus 11, then we have to find the value of k. So we give the number 1, 2 and we have to put the value of x is equal to k and y is equal to 5 in the equation, and it will become 4 into k plus 3 into 5 is equal to 19, that is 4k plus 15 is equal to 19, that is 4k is equal to 19 minus 15, that is 4k is equal to 19 minus 15, that is 4k is equal to 4, that's why k is equal to 1. Now the next question what we have here, for the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 11 and 7x minus 4y is equal to 9, what is the value of dx? So we compare the two equations with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. We have the values of a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, and the determinant dx will be formed by c1 b1 and c2 b2. Substituting the values of c1 and b1 and c2 b2, minus 11 2 and 9 minus 4, so it will be minus 11 into minus 4, that will be 44, minus 2 into 9, it will be 18, so 44 minus 18, that will be 26. So the answer and the value of this dx will be 26. The next question what we have here, we have to find the value of determinant 5 3 minus 7 minus 4. So this is going to be 5 into minus 4, then minus 3 into minus 7, so it will become minus 20 and plus 21, so the final answer will be 1. The next we have in 2x plus 5y is equal to 16, x is equal to what if y is equal to 2, so we are going to put y is equal to 2 in the equation. So that's why it will be x plus 5y is equal to 16, that is 2x plus 5 into 2 is equal to 16. Therefore 2x plus 10 is equal to 16 and 2x is equal to 16 minus 10. Therefore 2x is equal to 16 minus 10, that will be 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 upon 3, that will be 6 upon 2, that will be 3. So the value of x here will be 3. Now the next question, we have to find the value of the determinant minus 1 7 and 2 4. So it is simple, minus 1 into 4 will be minus 4, minus 7 into 2 will be minus 14, so minus 4 minus 14 will become minus 18, and this is the answer and the value of this determinant. The next question we have for the equations 5x plus 4y is equal to 14, 4x plus 5y is equal to 13, what will be the value of x minus y? So we give number 1 and 2, then subtract 2 from 1, so it is going to be 5x minus 4x will become x, and 4y minus 5y is equal to minus y, therefore x minus y is equal to 1. So the answer for this is x minus y is equal to 1. In the next case here what we have, 15x plus 17y is equal to 21 and 17x plus 15y is equal to 11. We have to find the value of x plus y. It's by mistake written x plus y is equal to 1. So anyway, we give the number 1 and 2, then we add both the equations, and after addition we are going to get 32x plus 32y is equal to 32. Taking out 32 common from left side and dividing the whole equation by 32, we get x plus y is equal to 1. Alright, now we are going to have the next question here, and the next question is, we have to find x comma y if there are two cases. In first case d is equal to minus 5, dx is equal to 15 and dy is equal to minus 10. In the second case d is equal to 4, dx is equal to 2 and dy is equal to 8. So we know very well x is equal to dx upon d, so it is equal to 15 upon minus 5, it is equal to minus 3, and y is equal to dy upon d, that is minus 10 upon minus 5, it is equal to 2. So x comma y will be minus 3 comma 2. Now in the second case also we have x is equal to dx upon d, that is equal to 2 upon 4, so x is equal to 1 upon 2, and the value of y will be dy upon d, that is 8 upon 4, so it is 2. So here x comma y will be 1 upon 2 comma 2. The last question in this 1 marks series we have If x is equal to 2 into x plus y is equal to 7, then what is the value of y? So simply what we have to do, we have to substitute or put the value of x is equal to 2 in the equation. 2x plus y is equal to 7. Therefore it becomes 2 multiplied by 2 plus y is equal to 7, that is 4 plus y is equal to 7, that is y is equal to 7 minus 4, therefore y is equal to 3. So we get the value of y as 3, and in this video, while making the video, we had certain issues. So those issues are going to be rectified in the next video. Please see our next video with the same, that is algebra crash course of algebra 10th class Maharashtra State Board, and it is going to be a linear equation in two variable 2 marks questions. And